Today, I'm making something super crunchy. Onion Rings Tower. Look at this big onion. Perfect for rings. One day, it's gonna be super tall. An Onion Rings Tower. We need just a few yummy things. Crack! Easy peasy. Mixy mixy time. Okay, Mr. Onion, time to get ready. Slice, slice, slice. I got an onion ring already. Dusty, dusty onion. Eggy bath, splash. Crunchy coat, all ready. Look! Crispy ring coming soon! All lined up and ready to fry. Here they go, sizzle time! They're dancing in the oil. Wow! They're turning so golden! Out you go, crispy friends! Too hot! Crunchy magic! This is the bottom floor. Nice and steady, next floor. Gotta make it tall. My tower's getting taller and taller. No! Stay up, please! It's done! My Onion Rings Tower! Ta-da! My Onion Rings Tower! Time to taste my crunchy tower! Pull and crunch. So cheesy and crunchy. So crispy and sweet. Dip, dip, and yum. Oops, I can't stop munching. You should try this tower at home, too. See you next time. Bye-bye.